Hey everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a question that many Snapchat users often wonder about. How do you know if someone is online on Snapchat? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Open Snapchat on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to your friends' chat list by tapping on the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now look for the friend you want to check if they're online and tap on it. Your friend's chat will open and type any message and send it to your friend. If he is currently active on Snapchat and reads your message, you'll see a small emoji icon at the bottom. Another way to check your friend is Active Now. Open his chat, tap on the camera icon, take a picture, and send a snap to your friend. Now go back to your friend's chat list and watch the icon under your friend's name if you see written Opened. It means he is active on Snapchat at this time. And there you have it. That's how you can check if someone is online on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.